I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin slowly moving higher. Keyword slowly. Right now the price action's trying to work above this dotted yellow line, and it hasn't been very amazing to sit and watch the price action today. Now if we go over here, plan A, plan B. Previously, you had this drop down to this support level, bounce, drop to support, bounce, to support, bounce, to support, bounce. We're looking for a bounce, right? The bulls need this bounce. Plan B would be a breakout above this, and you'd be looking for some Bitcoin upside, right? But the probabilities say there's a 64% chance that this breaks to the downside and Bitcoin takes a tumble. Like when these descending triangles break lower, you get falling wedges, you get falling descending channels. Okay, so if that were to happen again, you could see a move down here to 15,000. But the bulls trying to do everything they can to show up here have to wait and see. The waiting game continues for Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give to my trading group. This person was up $13,781 this month, and yesterday he made $2,300, $2,384. Banging. The channel changed his life. This person, he paid off $28,000 in student loan debts. He still has $145,000 in his main account, and he has his account picture right here. $145,000. He paid off all his student loan and debts. Just think how many people go to college and are in a bunch of debt. And this guy paid it off quickly. This person started the group with $7,000. Now he's officially hit $100,000. The bottom line is you will be very successful in this market if you can trade the market both ways. We nail the banger setups every single day. There's plenty posted in the groups daily. You've got to be in the right coins. That's all there is to it. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. Can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. Pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. The DXY, this is the dollar index. This is the dollar compared to a basket of fiat currencies. So you have this beautiful cup and handle, and this thing is mooning, period. How Bitcoin has held on with the DXY straight shot higher, I don't know, because most markets are ready to roll over. So if we go to ES1, right? So this is S&P futures, E-mini futures. Previously you had this bounce here. You're in this falling wedge. This is supposed to break out higher, but it could happen way down here. If this level is lost, then this can get ugly real quick, further downside from the stock market. So, pay attention to that. Just a more zoomed out version. The measured move is all the way down here. Not quite as low as we saw during the panic situation drop, but not amazing either. So this thing gets ugly if this, which is essentially a inverse cup and handle, this thing breaks to the downside, measured move all the way down here. Do not want to see that. This is total two altcoin market cap of all the altcoins, right? Total altcoin market cap. This is in a 68% chance this breaks higher, but this thing rolls over again, wouldn't be abnormal. Definitely there's room for another drive to the downside. At some point, these altcoins will take off, but how low do the altcoins have to get to take off before you're looking crazy because you've been holding on to these altcoins for an extended period of time? Do not get stuck holding these downtrends, period. Rich Dad Poor Dad author says the biggest crash in decades is coming. He goes over the impact on Bitcoin, gold, and silver. He told his 2.1 million Twitter followers that this is the everything bubble, the everything crash. And truthfully, there's always this black swan event that could happen. The U.S., he said, these are the problems that the U.S. is going through right now. The U.S. borrows too much money. They keep interest rates too low. The low interest rates force the U.S. to borrow more money to buy more U.S. bonds. And then they keep interest rates low again. This causes inflation. Inflation is what the Fed is trying to fix. They're forcing interest rates up. Debt becomes too expensive. The U.S. dollar is dying. He says, buy gold, silver, and Bitcoin. But you've seen it time and time again with me that Bitcoin is not broken away. It's running hand in hand with the stock market, right? So rich dad, poor dad, maybe not making the best idea, loading up on Bitcoin when Bitcoin's at the bottom. When you get a good bottoming pattern out of Bitcoin, obviously load up on Bitcoin. Have a 4 or 6 year plan. You'll make a ton of money in this market. Walmart comes out and they make Metaverse move, which is huge. Metaverse is going to take over when the time is right. If you can only imagine how many people are looking at their cell phones all day when the Metaverse is right there. It's the next step. It's the next level. So they've got this new Roblox engagement. And this is a big announcement today, and Walmart stock did about nothing. Most important thing to understand is people don't see this. They don't understand this like we do. We have a huge edge in this market. We understand what the metaverse is going to be and going to do. But right now, there's a bunch of fear in the market. Everybody's worried about the big black swan event when this thing is going to roll over. You have to keep cash on the sidelines for times like this because you can make more money in the tough times, in the bear markets, than you make in the bull markets because you're buying at the lows. And then the bounces can be epic. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.